Kyle? What you doing there?
Well, I thought I'd catch up on a little reading and, for a change, hang out on the water myself.
Well, you do realize you're not in an actual river. You're in Bowling Green's Beach Bend / Lagoon.
Looks like a pretty good river to me, lazy or not. And in fact, I'm a little surprised it's not in this book.
That one's for actual rivers.
What are you doing here anyways? Aren't you supposed to be out paddling around, speaking of that?
Well, I am going to this afternoon. I'm gonna meet up with a WKU professor and we're gonna take a little trip on the Drakes Creek. And then later today, I'm gonna go underground to the Lost River Cave.
Once I'm done significantly relaxing here, I've heard there's a pretty fantastic brewery here in Bowling Green, and a winery, and a place that I can learn how to make my own beer so I don't even have to leave the house. All right, well, until then, I'm just going to...
Oh, Kyle, wait, before you sail away.
What?
A passing lifeguard gave this to me, and I think it's another one of our... No, but he was pretty adorable.
I'm sure he was.
I think it's another one of our challenges.
It's a riddle? Another one?
It is. Oh. There is no race involved with this spirited run through downtown Bowling Green.
Well, good, because this is as fast as I'm going to go today.
This one I'm going to get, Kyle.
You think so?
I will.
We'll see.
All right, have fun.
You know it.